together. I know you all must be enjoying doing Law Ki Padhai with me, right? And please don't forget to ask me your doubts. I would love making a special video on the doubts you'll ask me. So don't forget to ask your doubts in the comment section below. Okay? And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video so that you will get regular updates for legal word of the day, legal maxim of the day and the topic which we'll be doing a small video on that on a daily basis. Okay? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also please click on the bell icon to get the immediate video on the topic which I'll be sharing. Okay? Now, let's move ahead with the topic for the day. The topic for the day is classification of the laws. As I discussed with you yesterday, what is the difference between a law and the law? Okay? I know you must have remembered that. If you have not seen my video, I'll share the link in the description below. So please don't forget to watch it. So, why classification is required? Any answers? Why do you think we need to classify the laws? I know you must be knowing that. Let me tell you, so that your time will not get wasted in thinking. Listen to it very carefully. You may have other reasons as well apart from my reasons, okay? So please open up your mind and please, you can make out as many reasons as you can. So, why do you think the classification of law is important? It is important for the proper understanding of the laws. If we classify the laws, okay, then it is very important then it becomes very easier for us to understand the laws. Okay, understanding the laws is very important because if we will not understand the laws, then there would be no meaning of the laws. It will be really a waste of time of the legislatures as well and the executors. So what does it mean? What is the requirement of the law then? So the important point is that it becomes easy for us as lawyers. It becomes easy for you. It becomes easy for everyone to understand the laws. Even it becomes easy for the citizens to understand the laws. First point. Second point. The laws are arranged properly. Okay. Classification helps in proper arrangement of the laws. If we have, for example, the rape laws, okay, the laws relating to human body. In Indian Penal Code, we have laws relating to human body. So, in that particular part, we have all the laws which can affect the human body and the punishments given to the culprits. Okay. So, proper arrangement of the laws are done because of the classification of the laws. Okay. Third point, it becomes easier for us to interpret the laws. Then understanding the laws, as I already told you, it becomes easier for us to understand the laws. And it becomes easier to see its effect on the society as well. What kind of effect is it giving on the society? For example, we have so many laws. You can take an example of same-sex marriage. So, what effect is it putting on the society? We can very easily make out the effects if it is properly classified. Okay, and the interrelation of the rules also. If we classify the laws, if we classify the laws, we come to know that laws are interrelated to each other. Okay, and we can know about the interrelationships which exists among the laws. So hence, due to these reasons, we can say that it is very important for us to classify the laws. Now, let's look at the classification of the laws. Okay, first one is national and international law. Law can be broadly classified under two heads: national laws and international laws. National law is further divided as public law and private law. Public law is further divided as constitutional law, administrative law, criminal law. Private law being further classified as law of person, law of property, law of obligations, and law of obligations is further classified as contract law, quasi-contract law, and tort law. Whereas international law is classified as public international law and private international law. Let's discuss international law today and let's discuss national law tomorrow. Okay? Let's keep this topic for tomorrow and let's discuss this topic today. So, what are international laws? International laws are those laws which are controlling the contracts which are, which have been established for the proper and systematic governing of the different nations amongst themselves. Okay, these are the laws which regularizes the conduct of the nations amongst themselves. Okay. In other words, we can say that those laws which basically governs the relationship of the nations amongst themselves, amongst each other, is called as the international law. Okay. And now we look at the classification of the international law. International law is classified as public international law and private international law. Okay. Now let's see what is the difference between the two, public international law and private international law. Public international law basically deals with the relationship with the laws. These are the laws which govern the relationship between the states. Okay, states means what? States in the international law means the nations. Okay, it governs the relationship between the nations at the international level. Okay, and these are the outcome of the treaties. Okay, the customs, the international customs, international covenants. Whenever I'll discuss about the international law, whenever I'll take that subject, that is a separate subject, I'll discuss each and everything. Don't worry. So, the important point to be taken care is that public law basically deals with the relationship of the nations amongst themselves. Where public international law, okay, and private international law basically deals with the relationship of private individual and the other nations. I'll take an example for making it much more easier and clearer. So, private international laws. Private international laws are those rules and principles which involves the foreign element. Okay. The cases which are having foreign element are decided on the basis of international law. Let's take an example. Let's suppose that a contract is made between India and Pakistan that certain act has to be performed in US. A certain activity has to be done in US. Okay. Actually, it is it is also called as conflict of laws. Okay. Conflict of laws and private international law is one and the same thing. Okay. Tomorrow I'll discuss the difference between public international law and private international law along with the national law. Okay. In case of any doubts, please feel free to reach out to me and please message your doubts. Please write down your doubts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please click the bell icon for getting the regular updates of my YouTube channel. So, thank you for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.